Hello, and welcome to How to Configure Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP, in your SmartSimple cloud system. In this video, we will review what SMTP is, the impacts on your organization, and how to configure SMTP in your SmartSimple cloud system. SMTP is a service that can be configured to send email from your SmartSimple cloud system to relay all emails through to your company's internal SMTP server. It's recommended to set up SMTP relay to your company's internal SMTP server to avoid your emails being misidentified as spam. This approach will help prevent emails sent from SmartSimple being designated as spam. Emails will originate from the server registered to your company's email domain and thus match the sender's address. To configure this, click on Menu, Global Settings, Communications, and scroll down, and here you will find SMTP Relay Settings. The information needed to update would be SMTP server name. This is the address of the SMTP server. As an example, smtp.samplecompany.com. A username associated to the SMTP server, the password for the username, the port to connect to the designated server, default 25, the encryption. Select this checkbox to enable encryption of the connection. Please contact your internal SMTP server administrator with regards to this. The username and password may or may not be required depending on how the relay is configured within your company's email system. You can also enable default from address. This email address will be set as a default from email address when composing an email. To configure this, click on Global Settings, Communications, Email Options and Security, and enable default from address. This email address will be set as a default from email address when composing an email. Enter your email address here. To test if the function works in regards to your SMTP relay settings, click on the menu, Message Queue. Here you will find all the emails that have been sent from your instance. And once configured, you'll be able to see whether emails have been created and actioned. We hope you enjoyed the video on how to configure Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or SMTP.